So today we're going to be opening some Pokemon packs that I just got. So they said that we might have a chance to get these two. Yeah. I really like the detail on this Pokemon. It kind of looks like one of the very good cards. Okay, so let's start this. It's kind of hard to open it. Ow.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Scarlet and Violet Pokemon card.
Wow!
Okay, some more. How do I open this? I need some scissors. Not
Dun dun dun!
Okay. Well, I think the best one was at the back. But, so first we got this one. Then we got this one. Then we got Roller. Team Rocket's Grimer. Okay, this one's good. We got Heart Flame Mask. Ogre one. Team Rocket's Brother Bot. Cynthia's Milo Kit. Team Rocket's Puppeteer. Team Rocket's Meow. And I don't know his name. Greedent. Then we got a basic energy. Yeah, and that's all for this pack. So, time to open these packs. So, yeah, they said that we have a chance of getting this, which is like $600. So, okay, let's see. Fancy. Okay. Gumshoes. Great Ball. Energy. Oh, another energy. Got that. Zigzagoon. Obstacoon. Carablast. Remoraid. Mareep. Toxel. Comfy. Cheetle. Jihurdle. I like this one. This one has a very cool design. Like, it looks like he's like throwing snowballs. Doug Trio. Wurmple. This is a lot. We have about 4 more. Boonsweet. Spinda. Shuppet. And Panthy. Okay, so nothing on those ones. This is the last one that we have. Please be good. Please, speed, I need this. Even though my mama's not homeless. It said 1 foil card. On the back it said 1 foil card, 24 cards. Not gonna lie, this is kind of a scam. I think this is what he meant by foil. So yeah. We got,
like shiny.
Yeah. Tapalili. Unidentified fossil. Charlie. Scroll of Scorn. Single strike. That's good. Then we got single strike style mustard. That's also a single strike.
Mustard.
Yeah, it said
Like
mustard.
the condiment?
No, it said like mustard as the trainer.
Oh, there's a guy named Mustard. Okay.
For this one, these two are interesting because look, these two have this thing down at the bottom right of them. And I think it shows like that bunny kicking the fire. I forgot what its name was. Anyway. Marmie's Morgrim.
Smell good, taste good. Smell good, taste good.
Interesting. Because it has this sign.
What sign?
It has this sign. And I'm not no Pokemon expert, but that looks kind of cool. Then we got Pangoro, Bruzel, Frogrator, Frogity, Frigiback.
Breaking back.
That sounds like Big Back.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Oh, this one's good.
What does that say? Zeppu.
Bro, these are so weird names. Oh my gosh.
I mean, they can't just be like bunny.
Yeah. Swellius, Rapid Strike, Feebas, Rapid Strike,
Hoppy.
Hoppy, a Single Strike, Hitmonchan. This one's kind of cool.
Wait, show it again.
It's like somebody who's boxing with a dress.
Oh, cool.
Fletching. Fletching. Tentacool. It's very cool because it looks like these are the eyes, but it's actually that. Then we got, this one's just straight up goofy. Apple Turn
Full turn.
and Carvana. So,
Na.
So yeah, the only good ones that we got was were these. They're kind of big. That's all. Thank you.
Great. Shaped like a number 8.